What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to download the War Robots mod for 2025. This works on iOS and Android. So as you can see, I got unlimited gold, unlimited silver, unlimited platinum. This is super insane. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. This is a fully working War Robots mod menu. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys where to download this. So the website we're going to go to is called zoomods.com. So let me just go ahead and type that in. It has a bunch of modded apps. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in War Robots. And as you can see, it says War Robots mod somewhere in here. All right, let's look for it together. And sure enough, War Robots mod pops right up. So we are now going to download the War Robots mod. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, we're just going to let it download. It's a pretty good mod. As you saw, you get a lot of really good features. So before it actually does finish with the download, we are going to have to do a verification. This is just where you have to download like 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're from the App Store. They're completely free. So let's just wait for this to load, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So as you can see, it says War Robots mod installer. Please install 2 free apps to automatically install the mod. Now the problem is there's a lot of people that don't read the instructions that are below each of these apps. So you just want to download 2 of them. Just press tap to install. It should bring you over to the App Store, and you just have to download it and then like run it and complete the instructions. So for instance, like Swagbucks says, install and open the Swagbucks app, download the first 2 recommended games. So for instance, you would do that. And then down here, you can see it says checking completion. So just do 2 of them. And then once you're done, guys, you will get the War Robots mod menu on your device. It is super insane, guys. Unlimited everything, guys. Gold, silver, platinum. It's all here. So be sure to try this out, and peace out.